Who doesn't love nachos? Nachos is a great meal that you can sit with a friend and discuss the old times, or the new times, or the good times. So we're gonna make some nachos today. We got some beautiful ingredients here. We got the cheese, the onions, cilantro, some lime, some peppers, some black beans, chips, a little salt and pepper, house-made salsa that I made, which I'm not gonna show you how to make, but if you're interested on seeing how the salsa's made, leave a comment below on your way down from hitting that like button, and I can make a video on how to make this salsa. It is a grilled jalapeno and pineapple salsa, fresh and delicious. So today, we're gonna get into it. It's probably not gonna take any time at all. We're gonna start off getting the broiler going on low. We got some aluminum foil here. We're gonna foil up a pan because I don't wanna do any dishes. Nobody wants to do dishes, you know, and we can just kind of go about our merry way. Aluminum foil on the pan. Some of our chips. I'm gonna lay them down right in the middle. We don't have much, it's just the bottom of the bag. This is just what we had lying around. So we got our chips down. Kind of gonna make a little chips down. We'll lay some of our cheese, pre-shredded. The kids love it. The wife loves it. Everybody loves it. And we're gonna just bathe the first layer with cheese. We got our black beans, canned. I guess they're organic. We're gonna pop the top. We're gonna strain them out and rinse them. Give me 2 seconds. Bowl of beans. Get a little spoon. We're gonna spoon over our black beans, protein source. Turns out we're unbeknowingly making vegetarian nachos. Am I gonna sell these as vegetarian? No, I'll probably sell these as I got bored and made nachos. Come check this out. And if you're checking this out, thank you very much. We'll do a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna throw that under the low broiler until that cheese starts to melt. Already got pre-diced onion from the other day. It's always good to keep a little pre-diced onion around, saves a lot of time. Salsa already done, right? We've got some cilantro that's seen some better days. It's just gonna be a light garnish. We don't need much. So we will pick off what we want, set the rest aside. Chop that down, except for that big stem. Just like that. It's a beautiful thing. God, it's a beautiful thing, you know? We got some peppers. We're not gonna go too crazy with these. Probably not gonna use all these. Doesn't matter. Chop them down. Just a little bit of that zest. Right. Check on our nachos. Get some pads down. We're gonna pull these out. Cheese is just starting to melt. Just starting to melt. We'll take our peppers. Couple more chips. Rest of them, you know, the last of them, the little crumblies left. not stale, still fresh. And then we're gonna really use the rest of this cheese. Used about 3.5, 4 cups of cheese, pre-shredded. Oven mitt, we're gonna go back in the oven. We're gonna get this really melted, nice and hot. Remember, this is just the broiler on low. Okay, we did a little cleanup. We got our lime here. Just gonna kind of have that for the end. Get the lime. Put the pads back. I'm all over the place. Take it easy on me. Salsa. Try to get this video done in one fell swoop, you know? Salsa on the side. Put a little lime. Right there, you got lime on the side. Right? Oh yeah. It's just 2-3 minutes under that broiler. We'll go fresh onion. Fresh white onion. That's cilantro. Let's get that bench scraper out. Couple limes. For show, for the picture, for the thumbnail. That. Nacho plate. Salsa. So we got the nachos done. We're gonna sit back, edit this up, and eat these. I mean, what else is there to really do when you make a plate of nachos? I'd like to thank you for watching. I mean, we'll see you next time. Filmin'. Filmin', filmin', filmin'. Filmin', filmin', filmin'. Why is this fucking wet?